The bird's eye view gives drivers unparalleled safety and security by maximizing the field of view. Add an extra layer of protection with advanced AI pedestrian and vehicle detection. Integrate backup sensors with a 360-degree view for additional stationary object sensing. 1080p Full HD cameras provide the resolution needed in today's demanding environments. With our lightning-fast instant reverse feature, the InView 360 is compliant with the latest DOT spec. The built-in DVR records all 4 cameras individually and the bird's eye view. Built to withstand the elements, the cameras are robust and unobtrusive, and the ECU is completely waterproof. Calibration has never been faster or easier. Other 360 systems require 20-foot manual calibration pads on each side. The InView 360 needs less than 4 feet of space around the vehicle. Calibrate automatically right on the system monitor. No need to plug in external USB drives or connect to a laptop. The setup and auto calibration process can be completed in under 5 minutes. Choose from 8 preloaded vehicle overlays or load your own custom image. Further customize your display with on-screen overlays for outriggers. Keep track of your fleet activity with GPS tracking software and customizable alarms for speed and G-force.